tired of you not listening to me, girl.
And I'm tired of you acting like you own me. I can see who I want to see.
It just ain't right you seeing some cello motherfucker.
Oh, what? A no-good, narrow-minded, hypocrite gangbanger telling me what is right and what is wrong?
Đã
Let me
chụp
guess,
hố
sweet.
tăng đài.
Senseless killing right, but a boyfriend from the south side wrong?
Some things ain't just meant to happen. I mean, what if y'all have kids? Leroy Hernandez? That don't sound
His
good,
name
girl.
ain't Hernandez.
Well, Leroy Lopez
Or
then.
Lopez either, you racist fuck. That ain't how moms raised us.
I ain't racist, I just know how they feel
Okay,
about
Barry.
it. And look at you. You dress like a hooker.
Oh, and I guess you two would know what a hooker look like, huh?
You say it like it's a bad thing.
Shut up, Carl.
I'm just trying to protect you.
For what? So I can date one of your mindless friends? I don't think so.
Don't say a word, Carl. Just follow your sister before you see another dead sibling. Then you know exactly what my problem is. She's
Oh,
meeting him at
she's
some
being-
cello car club.
បងប្អូនចរនមួយអាពេលអ៊ីនធឺណិតខ្ញុំភ្លេចថាយើងត្រូវជាអីនឹងនេះហ្នឹងអ្នកហ្នឹងក៏ត្រូវជាបងប្អូនចរនមួយខ្ញុំថាមិនដឹងបងប្អូនកាន់មិនដឹងបងប្អូនចរនមួយមិនដឹងក៏បងប្អូននេះហ្នឹងបងប្អូនចរនមួយឥឡូវហើយមួយមិញហ្នឹងធ្វើផ្ទះទៅនៅជាមួយនឹងសង្សារវានេះស៊ីសាឥឡូវយើងមកតាមស្ពីតវាឲ្យយើងមកតាមដឹងមែនឥឡូវ
You must be Sweet's bro, huh? He phoned ahead, said you might be looking for a car that bounces. Well, I owe him big from way back, so here, this should do the trick. Custom Spring should see you hopping all the way home. Try her out. Very popular with the essays. They compete in these things. You can usually find them over by Unity Station. If you ever want to mod your ride, come back anytime, man.
ឲ្យយើងទៅរំឡានឥឡូវចូលក្រៅ យើងបាច់នេះទេយើងបាច់ទៅយ៉ាអើយមិនខ້ອຍក្រោយណាខូចឡានអស់ឲ្យយើងឥឡូវទៅរំឡានអីចឹង តាមផ្លូវភ្លើងមកទៅហើយកន្លែងវាហ្នឹងនៅបដោយតាមផ្លូវរថភ្លើងហ្នឹងនៅស្ថានីយ៍រថភ្លើងហ្នឹងហ្មងនិយាយរួមទៅហើយយើងបត់កន្លែងនេះហ្មងមកបត់កន្លែងឈរចាំរថភ្លើងហ្នឹងគឺវាចាប់យើងបត់តាមផ្លូវនេះទៅវាត្រូវទៅឲ្យនេះផងចេះ
Alright, well, let's see what you can do. Hey, yo, what's crack?
Right by everything at 24/7.
Yeah, show some promise.
Try that new Clifton Mills?
Yeah, that's total bullshit. Hey, I'm on the
វា
bounce.
ចុចលេខស៊ីហ្នឹង
What up, homie?
Hey, homie.
Everything right by?
វាចាក់1000អញ្ចឹងណា
Alright, man.
យើងចាក់1000មិញយើងប្រកួតអីប៉ណ្ណឹងឡានរំអញ្ចឹងណាអូលេចទៅសេរីនេះទៀតខ្ញុំប្រើ laptop អញ្ចឹងវាអត់ត្រូវនេះកន្លែងនេះជាទៅឆ្វេងទៅស្ដាំអីវាអត់ត្រូវ leave leave right home up down អញ្ចឹងបាត់អាពីនេះ ពីនេះយើងដាក់អី and ពី delete ហើយជាមួយនឹង and ចុះឥឡូវហើយចុចបានយើងកុំចុចបាទហ្នឹងវាមកដល់កន្លែងហ្នឹងយើងកុំចុចនេះគឺចុចមុនហ្នឹងបន្តិចគឺចុចមុនអាហ្នឹងមកដល់វងមូលហ្នឹងមកបន្តិចអញ្ចឹងបានត្រូវយើងដល់កន្លែងនេះគឺចុចទៅយើងយឺតចុចមុនពេកក៏អត់ល្អដែរចុចលើហើយមួយឆ្វេងលើស្ដាំអីចឹងទៅអារូបសញ្ញាបែរទៅនេះទៅចុចបែរឆ្លងណាចូលទៅ1400បែរឆ្លង
I've seen worse, but you did all right.
That shit was all right. So since when has my brother been a low rider?
Since Sweet told me to keep an eye on you, make sure that whatever you dating don't get you in no trouble.
¿Qué onda? Nice hopping, Holmes.
Well, you just shook that whatever's hand.
Come here,
Yeah,
baby.
this
Hey,
is
get your dirty hands off my
Oh, what
sister.
is wrong with you?
Holmes, you're acting like she's your woman, eh?
Ini
She's with me,
sampai-
cabron. So chill the fuck
Sampai
out.
niយើងនឹង
Oh, baby, don't start no
Bapak
shit.
jangan
Don't
mau
make
jangan.
it worse,
Órale, vato.
okay?
Who's this pendejo?
What? Dickhead? This dickhead is my brother.
Easy, Holmes. He ain't from nowhere. He's cool.
Well, I say he ain't cool, Holmes. I say he thinks he's gangster, man. And I don't like it. So you know what you can do for me, man? You can fuck off, pendejo, and then maybe we cool. No, you fuck off. I'm talking to my sister.
Oh,
Jose, come on,
Santai,
Holmes.
ya.
I can handle this. This is important to me.
Órale, pendejo, you lucky. That's right. You lucky she's
Aku,
spoken for
ya.
you.
apa mau
Vámonos, muchachos. Let's get some fucking beer, huh? I'm thirsty.
thì anh
come
mê
on, what the
này
hell were you thinking?
Look, baby. Go get in the car, okay?
អាស៊ីសាប្រហែលជាក្រុមពួកអា Q ទៅអា Q មិញហ្នឹងតែក្រុមហ្នឹងមិនដឹងហើយ
Look, Holmes. I love your sister. I honor her. She's my girl for life. This is why I stopped you from being skinned just then. You got a problem with me? Fine. We don't have to be friends. But Kendo, she's happy with me, carnal.
Yeah, okay. I guess we cool. For now.
Cesar Villalpando.
Carl Johnson. CJ.
Cabron, you got a nice ride there, Holmes. Maybe we'll get to kick it again soon, eh?
Yeah. Maybe.
ចុះបាន2000ឡា2000យើងចាក់ទេមិញបើ50ទេយើងបានតែ100ទេ